Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Halloomi and Za'atar Bourek. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Halloomi and Za'atar Bourek. You will need 420 grams of halloumi cheese, some spring roll pastry wraps, extra light olive oil spray, and you will need some za'atar blend. In today's recipe, I'll be using my friend's homegrown za'atar from his garden. He's a fellow YouTuber, Moses, from Za'atar Garden, so make sure you check out his YouTube channel. And this is how your Halloomi and Za'atar Bourek should look like. Serve it as a beautiful breakfast dish and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!